Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and my chart of the day. Want to take a look at Snowflake. This is ticker SNOW. Now, despite the fact that we have the QQQ under the 50-day moving average, we have SPY closing under the 50-day moving average, we have Snow actually showing a good amount of relative strength. It was green on the day today. It did pull back with the market on Friday, but it didn't even break under its 21-day exponential period moving average. And so I wonder if Snow has an opportunity to melt up here if we do see the market firm up and we see stocks rise with it. And so I certainly would watch for a move here on Snow with a stop down around the 21-day exponential period moving average. I think you could buy this with a move through and a close above 278.80. 278.80 is the level I'm watching on Snow. Now you can see how we had a downside move here following its earnings report. We had earnings, it gapped up, went 3 days up, and pulled right back down. So we might get a bit of selling above 280. And so you want to watch for that strong move and close above that pivot coming on volume. And so that's just one of many things I'm watching tonight over on StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that that's helpful. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on X. I'll see you next time.